Hey everybody, this is Chris with Mercedes-Benz of Austin. We just made a video about keyless go a moment ago. This is going to also tie into that keyless go system. Many of you are aware our vehicles are equipped with push-button ignitions and also keyless access to the exterior of the car. A lot of people are not aware that we can actually enable this key to only unlock the driver's side door. So if you live in an area where you're concerned about your personal safety, or you frankly live by yourself and you don't want anybody else getting into your car when you're unlocking it, we can enable this key to only unlock the driver's side door. So to enable this system, you're going to press and hold the lock button and the unlock button at the same time. Press and hold anywhere from about 15 to 20 seconds, and you're going to wait for the key to flash twice. That's enabled that keyless entry system to only unlock the driver's side door. Once that occurs, you can go out there, test it out on your vehicle. You can do this from anywhere. You don't have to be near your car for this system to become active. Now, when I go to unlock the driver's side door, only the driver's side door will open. As you can see, the driver's side door is the only door that unlocked. The passenger side doors remain locked. If you do have guests that need to get into the vehicle after you've enabled this system on the car, all you have to do is press the unlock button inside that door pocket, and that will unlock the rest of the vehicle for your guests to be able to get into the car.